Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to be talking about the proper use and care of your range. So the first thing we want to talk about is proper use of your range. Proper use of your range involves a few steps to ensure that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly and that your oven stays in good working order. So in regards to proper use, you always want to preheat your oven. But keep in mind, when you select preheat and it gives you an indication that it's up to temperature, it's not typically at the temperature that you're going to be baking at. It's about 80% of that temperature. What you really want to do, especially for short cook items, is give it about another 15 minutes. That way all the oven liner and the racks inside have absorbed all this temperature, and that airspace is really the temperature you want it to be. After the preheat, opening the door causes a lot of hot air to escape and the temperature inside will drop significantly. So make sure that your range has that extra preheat time. So the next item we want to talk about as far as proper use is your cookware. Use cookware that is safe for the oven and appropriate for the dish you are preparing. For example, glass or ceramic dishes are typically best for baking, while metal pans are great for roasting. Avoid overcrowding. Overcrowding the oven can block airflow and cause uneven cooking. Another thing to talk about as far as proper use is the hidden bake element. Ranges with hidden bake elements, while easy to wipe clean, should never have tinfoil placed on the bottom of the oven. During normal use, and especially during self-clean, that tinfoil will bond directly to the oven liner, and parts of it will not come off, potentially ruining the benefit of having a hidden bake element. So another point for proper use is checking on your food while it's cooking. Check on the food periodically to ensure that it's cooking evenly. Use an oven mitt to carefully pull out the rack and inspect the food. Be sure to close the oven door gently to avoid temperature fluctuations. So the last thing we want to talk about as far as proper use is the use of an oven timer. Set a timer to ensure that you do not overcook or undercook your food. This is especially important for dishes that require precise cooking times. So now that we've reviewed some of our points on proper use for your range, let's talk about how to care for the range. Caring for your range helps ensure that it functions efficiently and properly. Here's a few things you can do to keep your range going strong. When it comes to cleaning your range, your cooktop should be cleaned after each use to prevent microbes and bacteria from building up. The front of your range should be cleaned at least once a week. As a rule, you should fully clean your range every 3 months. However, it depends on how often you use your range, and it depends on the type of food you cook. Food that produces a lot of grease, grime, and stains may need cleaning more often. If you have a glass top range, use a recommended cleaner to help protect the glass as well as making cleanup much easier. Some products may need to be applied after every use, while others may only need to be applied once a month. So the next item we want to talk about in caring for your range is using the self-clean function. If the oven has a self-clean function, follow the manufacturer instructions carefully when using it. Do not leave the oven unattended while the self-cleaning function is in use, and make sure the room is well ventilated to avoid smoke and fumes. Another thing I suggest in caring for your range is talking about oven temperature. It's a good idea every 6 months to check your oven temperature to make sure that it's where it should be so that you always get good, proper cooking. If you think your oven temperature is not where it should be, most electronic controls in your owner's manual will tell you how to recalibrate it. If it's really out of whack, you're probably looking at having to change your oven sensor, and that's not a bad job to do. It's pretty easy. So finally, when it comes to caring for your range, anytime you find a component that's worn or damaged or not working properly, it's best to get that addressed as soon as possible to prevent anything further from going wrong. Thanks very much for watching. We hope our guide on use and care your range will ensure you have good quality baking and that your range lasts a long time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, swing over to Fix.com and check out our blog.